Hello and welcome to this WiPM Summit 2021 tutorial. We are going to focus on the agenda module. So first off, how to get there. This is your home page. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the menu tab and you're going to click Agenda. You will see all of the sessions that are available to watch on the day. To watch one session, click it. And this picture here will stream the presentation on the day. Don't forget, all presentations are available to rewatch up to 7 days post-event. So a few things about this page. I've brought you into Priya's talk as an example. You can see on the, if you're in a full screen, you can see on the right-hand side of the screen. If you're on a smaller screen, it'll probably be below the presentation. There is a chat window. It's very easy to ask the speaker a question or to communicate with your fellow delegates. You can simply press the area that says say something and type in your message. Then hit send. And it will appear with your name against it. If you want to delete that message, click the 3 dots and press delete message. The feedback tab has 5 short questions that we'd appreciate if you could fill out. The next tab is the Notes tab, which is extremely useful. You can store any notes that you may want to take during each session by clicking the New Note. Type in the title of your note. Type what you want here. You can add an image and hit save. Then you'll see it there and you can export it to your email and save it outside of the event platform to look at a later time. You can also find your notes section by clicking your image here or your profile image here and clicking My Notes. You can private message the speakers if you want to ask them something that you don't want everyone to see by scrolling down to the speaker page or speaker area, clicking Priya, and click the chat and type in your questions there. If you're chatting to someone in the chat window and you want to private message them, you can do so also by clicking their name and the chat icon here again. To find all the messages that you have sent or everyone has sent you, you can go to this chat icon up here, press it, and you'll see it. And if you have a lot, you can use the search engine here to find the one that you want. And there you can see that that one's popped up. That is everything to do with the agenda page. But if you have any questions, feel free to message me directly within the app or you can drop me an email.